Hello guys, today I'll be doing a review on the Redtiger F9 4K and I'll be going through its strengths and weaknesses and what should enter on whether or not this dashcam is worth it or not. The Redtiger F9 4K is a discreet and user-friendly dash cam designed for drivers who want a set-in and forget-it solution. Its primary advantage is its compact, screenless design, which allows it to be tucked away behind the rearview mirror, making it inconspicuous from the driver's seat. This dashcam captures a clear 4K video from the front and a 1080p video from the rear, providing a comprehensive view of events. The camera is easy to install and automatically begins recording upon ignition, making for a hassle-free user experience. A key feature of the F9 is its reliance on a mobile app for control and management. This approach eliminates the need for a bulky screen on the dashcam itself, and a built-in GPS and Wi-Fi allows users to easily access live feeds and download video clips directly to their smartphone. The app also allows for one-click video locking to save important footage, which is a significant pro. The camera also includes a free SD card and provides essential safety features like loop recording and a G sensor that automatically saves footage during an impact. However, there are some drawbacks. While it is advertised as a 4K camera, many reviews suggest that the video is upscaled, make it meaning it may not provide the same true 4K clarity as some higher-end competitors. The reliance on the app for all controls can be a frustration for some, as the app itself has been reported to be buggy and slow to connect. Additionally, while the camera is discreet, the wiring for the rear camera can be a challenge to hide. And the parking mode feature requires a separate hardware kit, which adds to the cost and complexity of the setup. I hope this video helped and thank you for watching.